Did you hear that crunchy sound? Some people say crunchy. Yes, crunchy and the crunchy sound. Did you hear that? It was so good. Yes, this was so nice and perfect. So I decided to share with you. Hello, nice to meet you. And in a bowl, I have 7 cups of flour, a stick of butter, a pinch of salt, quarter cup of sugar. I'll mix everything very well. Then I'll go ahead and create a hole, then pour some vanilla and nutmeg extract. So that is a tablespoon each. You can actually grate some nutmeg instead. I've added some water, and that will be either a cup of water or half a cup of water. Okay, but please add the water to it bit by bit so that you get a perfect dough. The dough shouldn't be soft or hard. So this is what I'm going in for, and I'm just going to use my rolling pin to make it flat. I have some birds here and they are distracting me. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is how we are going to make it. It got to a point the thing wasn't straight again, but that is not any big deal. Okay, I think at that moment some people were distracting me, maybe one of them. Oh my goodness. So you make sure there is flour on the working surface so that it doesn't stick as well. Okay, if you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos? And I will be very, very, very happy for that. Thank you for doing it for me. And my returning subscribers, I do appreciate you here, and I appreciate everything that you've been doing, watching my videos, liking, commenting, and sharing. So after that, I'm just going to separate them, and I will sprinkle some flour on it, okay, so that it will separate very well, even though it is not sticking, but I still want to sprinkle some flour on it. I'm just going to pour this in my air fryer. I've made some already, as you can see in the background, but the first one that I made, okay, I poured small quantity and I didn't check on it. I was just doing my thing. So the second one, I added a lot, and I had to check on it every minute or some few minutes and separate them. That is a lot of work. So please don't add a lot of it, okay? Else it will stick to each other. Yes. So this one, if you add small quantity, you can be doing your thing. Then when it is done, you just bring it out. Even when you are getting married and you are at the church, oh my goodness, and they tell you may kiss the bride or the groom. You can come and check on it. You tell the pastor that let me check on my thing in the air fryer. I'll get back to you. You come and check on it. Then after that, you go and kiss. Yes. So you don't have to worry yourself and be separating. All what I'm trying to say is just add small quantity. When it is done, it is done. You come and remove it yourself later. I made each 20 minutes, okay, 20 minutes, but later I added oil. Okay, I added oil again and put it in the air fryer for another 20 minutes. So the first 20 minutes, it was done, but it was looking pale, like the one you saw in my hand earlier. Yes, but this was the perfect color I wanted. Thank you for watching.